Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Paper Board, where we are solving past paper questions of IGCSE Physics 0625. At the moment, we are doing the chapter Magnetism and Electricity, and we are going to do the topic of potential difference, which is topic 4.5 today, and this will cover all the questions related to potential difference that have come in the past years. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1. But before we start, kindly like and subscribe the channel, and if you find anything helpful, kindly remember me in your prayers. Thank you. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the unit of potential difference? The unit of potential difference is volt. Question number 2. Which statement about a voltmeter is correct? It has a scale which is marked in amperes. No, voltmeters measures voltage, so it has a scale measured or marked in volts. It can be connected in series. No, voltmeter is connected parallel to the component. It measures potential difference. Yes, this is correct. It must have 3 terminals. No, this is not correct. So C is our correct option. Question number 3. An electric fire is connected to a 240 volt supply and transfers energy at the rate of 1 kilowatt. How much charge passes through the fire in 1 hour? Okay. Charge is current is equal to charge by time. Okay. So we have to have two quantities. We don't have the current over here. Okay, now. So what we are going to do is we have P is equal to VI as a formula. We have power. Okay, we have voltage. So we can find current easily by that. Okay. So kilowatt है क्योंकि तो 1000 watts हो जाएगा ये, and 1 hour है तो ये 3600 seconds हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Power is equal to 1000 over 240 is equal to I, which is going to give us 4.17 amperes. ठीक है, as current, and now we can apply it over here. And Q is going to be 15,000 coulombs. But we have these, so 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 4 coulomb is going to be our correct answer. ठीक है, so C is our correct answer. Okay, question number 4. The diagram shows a circuit which includes 2 resistors and a battery. The voltmeter reads 6 volts. What is the potential difference across the 30 ohm resistor? Okay, what we can do is we can find current through these two values. ठीक है, तो V is equal to IR. ठीक है, V is 6, I we have to find, and this is 10. So 6 divided by 10 is going to be 0.6 amperes. ठीक है. Now once we have the current, we can find the potential difference across this. ठीक है. So we again will do V is equal to IR. We have to find I is 0.6 and resistance is 30 ohms. Okay, V is equal to IR, so V is equal to 18 volts. ठीक है. So the potential difference across this one is 18 volts. ठीक है. Question number 5. A lamp rated 12 volts, 2.2 amperes is switched on for 1 minute. How much energy is transferred by the lamp? Okay, energy, potential difference in current and time are connected by the formula VIT. ठीक है. So energy is equal to 12 into 2 into 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. So this is going to give us an answer of 1440 joules of energy. So D is our correct option. Question number 6. A resistor converts 360 joules of energy when there is a current of 3 amperes in it. Potential difference across the resistor is 6 volts. For how long is there this current in the resistor? For we have to find time. So we have energy, we have voltage, we have current. So we are going to do VIT. So energy is 360. This is 6 volts. I is going to be 3 and T we have to find. So 18, 360 over 18 is equal to T, and the time is going to be 20 seconds. ठीक है जी. So B is our correct option. Moving on, question number 7. There is a current I in a resistor for time t. The potential difference across the resistor is V. A student calculates the product IVT. In which unit is the energy student's answer measured? Okay, so this is the formula for energy, VIT. ठीक है, so energy is measured in joules, so C is our correct option. ठीक है. Question number 8. The diagram shows a circuit containing two resistors of resistance 1 ohm and 2 ohms. The voltmeter is connected across the 1 ohm resistor by connecting P to X. The reading on the voltmeter is 6 volts. So the P is connected over here. P is moved to a point Y in the circuit. What is the new reading on the voltmeter? Okay. We have resistors, we have one voltage for one. Okay. So first we can find out our current. Okay. With the help of the formula V is equal to IR. So over here, when this was connected over here with this resistor, the V was 6 volts. We can see I we have to find in resistance is 1. So 6 amperes current is running in the circuit. Okay. So now when this is connected to Y, what is going to be the reading for on the voltmeters now, as these resistors are connected in series, so their combined resistance is equal to 3 ohms. ठीक है? तो V is equal to IR करेंगे. We have to find I we know is 6 and R is 3. So 18 volts is going to be the reading on this voltmeter when this is connected over here. So D is our correct option. Question number 9. There is a current in variable resistor when a potential difference is applied across it. In which situation is the current increased? Decrease the potential difference and keep the resistance the same. Okay. This is वैसे not correct. Decrease the PD and increase the resistance. This is not correct. We have to increase the current. Okay. So increasing the resistance or keeping the resistance the same is not going to help increase the current. So if we keep the PD the same and decrease the resistance, so decreasing resistance is going to increase the current for sure. So C is the correct option. Whichever option has increase in resistance or keeping the resistance the same, so they won't help increase the current. Okay? Decreasing the resistance is going to increase your current. Question number 10. A lamp is to be connected in a circuit so that the potential difference across it can be varied from 0 to 6 volt. Which circuit would be most suitable? Okay. In these two, in C, this is a fuse. So this can't be used to vary the PD from 0 to 6. This is a fixed resistor, so this won't help to vary the resistance. Okay. A is not the answer because this is a variable resistor, but it is connected in series with the circuit or EMF. So this is not the correct answer. So this option B is the correct answer. ठीक हो गया? Question number 11. The graph shows the way in which one physical quantity Y varies with another physical quantity X. Which row gives suitable quantities for Y and X? Okay, this is a straight line graph. So this is going to be between I and V. ठीक है? because we are doing this topic, but let's go through the options. The number of atoms of a radioactive isotope present, the time taken. This can't be it because the number of the time taken for it to reduce वो नीचे को आता है, and the graph is not a straight line graph. The potential difference across a metallic conductor, the current in the metallic conductor, this is correct because ohmic conductors have a straight line graph for I and B. The resistance of the wire, length of the wire, the diameter of the wire. This can't be it because the resistance, the length increases and the diameter decreases. So this is not correct. The volume with the density, this is also not correct. So B is our correct option. Question number 12. In the circuit shown, the voltmeter reads 2 volts. A charge of 5 coulomb passes through the resistor in a certain time. How much energy is supplied to the resistor in this time? Okay. Energy jahan aa gaya, wahan we have this formula. Okay. And since we don't have the current, so we can use Q over T. And since we have the charge, T and T is going to get us O, and 5 is the charge and 2 is the voltage. So 10 joules of energy is going to be there. So C is our correct option. Question number 13. Which circuit shows a voltmeter measuring the PD across a resistor? Okay, it has to measure across a resistor. It is measuring across the lamp. So this is not correct. This is correct. Voltmeter cannot be connected in series. Here this is measuring the EMF. So this is not correct. So B is our correct option. ठीक हो क्या? Question number 14. Which quantities in the voltmeter used is a voltmeter used to measure? It is used to measure EMF and potential difference. ठीक हो क्या? Question number 15. A student wishes to measure first the EMF of the battery and then the potential difference across the resistor. She has the resistor, the battery, and some connecting wire. What else does she need? Okay, she needs to measure the potential difference in EMF across a battery. So she would need what do you say, voltmeter for that. Okay, so voltmeter is required. She has the wires, she has the resistor, she has the battery. So only thing now that she needs is a voltmeter. Question number 16. The diagram shows an electric circuit between which 2 points must be a voltmeter connected to find the potential difference across the bell. If it has to be the potential difference across the bell, so it has to be connected over here parallel to the component. So it is going to be between O and P. So this is our correct option. In which question number 17, in which unit is potential difference measured? It is measured in volts. So C is our correct option. So this brings us to the end of our topic 4.5, which was potential difference. See you in the next video, inshallah. And if you found anything helpful in this video, kindly remember me in your prayers, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.